Got some right here. You got some right here. Whoa. Hey, you got some right here. You got some right here.
Does that mud water taste good?
Are you a dog or a cat? Meow.
Drop it! No, don't drop it! No! Ah!
No, you jumped over these double big.
I bought a sweater for Millie. Millie, show everyone your sweater.
So everyone's been asking, Nick, how'd you do the trust fall? Well, what I did was, bro, can you record properly? Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
Night hags will enter our world and appear around a sleeping victim, and will often sit nearby or sit directly on a person's chest, staring down at the half-aware human that they're tormenting.
What are you doing?
What in the world? Oh! Oh, sick touch. Oh! Oh!
You see what happens when you eat your food too fast, Ichabod? Did I not tell you this was... Did I not tell you this was gonna happen?
Two ends. There's like a bigger end and a smaller end. Oh, I bought this one. She's in there again.
Why are you bringing him over here?
Let's see what he's doing. So we know we're not going to have to pay for college for Bean. And Bear, probably not either. We thought Shrimp was a contender, but we've been playing hide and seek. And I think we can probably just save our money.
Hi. What? I know. Do you want to come in and give me a hand? I don't blame you.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood. Teeth like razors.
I ain't gonna lie, me too. When I went on her page and seen her pictures, I said, "Oh, jump scare."
You know what it never was? That serious. It was never that serious.
I've been meaning to ask you, what's with that pocket on your shirt?
Oh, Jake's in here. Sup, Jake?
I love you. I love you. I love you.
Wow, that was weird.
Because this is how much a cat is supposed to eat in a day.
Okay, you see that? You see that? That's why I don't give you food anytime you cry. Okay? Look at how tiny you are. You cannot hold that much food. Don't look. Look at me.
Wow.
You're adopted. It's true. I adopted you. I'm sorry that the truth has to be revealed this way. I'm telling you this because we need to be more honest with each other. Now answer me honestly. Were you the one who scratched up my sofa?
She fell asleep on my shoulder, so I put her down to wake her up, and she fell right back asleep. But she's not allowed to take a nap, because it's already gonna be 5. Wake up. Wake up. Yes, you have to wake up. Wake up. Mew.
How do you feel, Justine? Amazing. I have been wanting
Bruh, I'm gonna have to level with you. This don't look right.
Just trying to capture a wholesome moment to send to my mom.
Okay, go! I didn't get anybody.
Oh my god! This is scary. They're doing targeted, coordinated attacks.